Welcome to Lumimail. My name is Jackson, and in this demo, I'll walk through signing in with Google and demonstrate Lumimail's key features. Lumimail is a mail merge Chrome extension that integrates with your Google account, including your Google Sheets and Google Drive, to help create AI email templates and save them into your Google Drive and compose and send emails efficiently. To begin, click the Lumimail extension icon in Chrome. This will prompt to sign in. If you're signed into multiple accounts, simply choose the one you'd like to use with Lumimail. This selection lets us retrieve basic profile details like your email address and name, ensuring a personalized experience. Now, you'll see the OAuth consent screen. This screen lists the permissions Lumimail requires. Let's break them down. Let us start with Google Drive access. We request permission to access your Google Drive. This enables you to save, retrieve, and manage AI-generated email templates in a dedicated Lumimail folder. And lastly, Gmail Modify. Lumimail needs access to your Gmail with Modify rights. This lets you send emails directly from your account, create drafts, and even track responses. It's how Lumimail delivers AI-powered email composition, schedules follow-up messages, and labels sent emails for easier tracking. Before you click Continue, please take a moment to review our privacy policy and terms of service as shown on the consent screen. We encourage you to read these documents carefully. Once you're ready, click Continue. We're returned to Lumimail. The extension is now connected to Google and ready to use. Now my colleague Katie will walk you through a demonstration for AI Compose functionalities and features.
Thanks, Jackson. I'll demonstrate Lumimail's key features. Lumimail has 4 main tabs. Compose tab, where you select your Google Sheet, pick the data columns you need, and let AI generate personalized emails effortlessly. In Templates, you can browse and customize professional email designs. And with one click, open the designer for advanced editing. The Contacts tab helps you import, manage, and even discover new leads, keeping your audience organized and up to date. And finally, in Sequence, automate your campaigns with multi-step workflows and smart, timely follow-ups. Let's go back to AI Compose tab. Here you can go to the dashboard by clicking on the Plan button in the top left corner. Your dashboard provides a central hub to view your plan details, credit balances, and campaign performance at a glance. Going back to Lumimail side panel, begin by choosing a Google Sheet from your drive that contains your contacts and any details you want to use, such as names, companies, or other personal info. This sheet will serve as the data source for your email campaign. Then decide which columns from your sheet should be inserted into the email to personalize it. Common choices are first name, company name, or any custom detail. Simply select the fields you want Lumimail to include for each recipient. In the bottom section, we have 2 subtabs: Quick AI Email, that we're in, and Add that element, that we'll illustrate later. Next, pick an email style or tone to set the voice of your message. For example, you might choose a formal tone for business outreach or a casual tone for a friendly approach. This ensures the AI writes in a way that fits your brand and audience. Then choose how many AI tokens you want to use to generate emails. 300 tokens are recommended for 2 to 3 paragraphs emails length. And finally, enter the prompt to AI. I will write something like, "I'm Katie from Lumimail, a Chrome extension that boosts your email outreach with AI-powered content, bulk emailing, and Google Sheets integration. Please draft an email announcing our new CRM integration to our clients." Now, let's click the Generate AI Emails button. A quick prompt appears, warning that this action will overwrite any previously generated AI data in your Google Sheets A columns. Hit OK, and watch the magic happen. Lumimail instantly creates 3 brand new columns: Subject A, Preview A, and Body A. Each column is filled with unique, personalized email content, meticulously crafted for every recipient in your contacts list. With Lumimail's advanced AI Compose, you're not just sending emails. You're delivering tailored messages that connect, engage, and convert. Experience the power of precision outreach and elevate your email game to a whole new level. Next, let's add attachments to your email. Simply click the green attachment icon, select the files you want to include, and they'll be added to your message. When you're ready, hit the send button to dispatch a merge mail featuring your freshly generated AI emails to your contact list. A confirmation prompt will then appear, asking you to verify that you have reviewed all AI-generated content. After all, even AI can sometimes miss the mark. Once you confirm, each personalized email is sent out individually. You can later check your sent folder in Gmail and marvel at how beautifully personalized and professionally crafted each email is, all generated and sent with just one click. To schedule your emails for later delivery, simply click on the scheduler icon to open the scheduling settings window. Here, you can set the initial run date and time for your campaign. Next, choose your repeat mode. You can opt to send emails once or have them repeat every few hours, days, or weeks. For even more control, select multiple times a day to specify exact send times, or multiple days a week to choose your preferred weekdays. You can also set a maximum number of occurrences or an end date to automatically conclude your campaign. Finally, enable tracking options like opens, clicks, or replies so you can monitor your email performance. Since you're a new user, please sign in again to add a new refresh token to our server. Click OK on the prompt, and you'll be redirected to the Google sign-in window. Lumimail requests access to your basic profile and email address so we can securely identify you and display your account details within the app. We also ask for permission to access your Google Drive, which enables you to save, retrieve, and manage your AI-generated email templates in a dedicated Lumimail folder, keeping your files organized and secure whether you're creating new templates or loading a saved design. Finally, Lumimail needs modified access to your Gmail account. This permission allows you to send emails directly, create drafts, and track responses, ensuring our AI-powered email composition, follow-up scheduling, and send email tracking work seamlessly for you. Once oath is completed, click the Schedule button again, and you'll see the status update to Scheduled Successfully. From here, you can easily manage your schedules, delete the ones you no longer need, and add new ones as your campaign evolves. Now let's come back to the Add AI Element subtab in Compose. Here, you can enrich your Google Sheet by adding a new, AI-generated column tailored to your data. First, set your maximum token limit to control the length of the AI output. Then, enter a custom prompt, say, "Hi, I'm Katie from Lumimail," our all-in-one Chrome extension that combines AI-powered email content, personalized bulk emailing, and Google Sheets integration in Gmail. Here are our clients' requests. Please draft an email response addressing them. If you've selected specific columns for data input, Lumimail will use that information to generate even more personalized results. Once you click the Add AI column button, Lumimail processes each row of your sheet and appends a brand new column filled with unique, AI-crafted content. This powerful feature not only saves you valuable time, but also elevates your email campaigns with data-driven, personalized insights. And now my friend Natalie will go over Template tab and Lumimail Designer.
Thanks, Katie. To go to Lumimail Designer, click on the Template tab, the second tab from the top, then click on the Designer button. This will open the Designer window. Lumimail's built-in email editor. The Designer is a powerful yet user-friendly tool for crafting and editing your email templates visually. Whether you accessed it through the Templates section or launched it separately, it offers a range of features to perfect your email design. Let's go over the main elements of the Designer. At the top left corner, you'll see the Plan button, which takes you straight to your main dashboard, just like the Compose, Template, and all other tabs in the Lumimail app. Below that, in the top left of the first section, 3 handy icons appear. First, the AI creation icon lets you generate beautiful, AI-designed templates with ease. Next, the template import icon allows you to open JSON and HTML templates stored in your dedicated Lumimail folder on Google Drive. Finally, the template export icon lets you save your existing template to Google Drive as a JSON file. Each of these tools is designed to streamline your creative process and keep your templates organized. Now, choose a Google Sheet from your Drive that contains your contacts and any details you want to use, like names, companies, or other personal information. Once you select a sheet, a drag and drop panel appears, displaying all your columns as draggable icons. You can easily drag these icons into your subject line, preview text, or even directly into the email editor for dynamic personalization. Next, write your subject line and preview text if you prefer, giving your emails that unique, personalized touch. To schedule your emails for later delivery, simply click on the scheduler icon to open the scheduling settings window. Here, you can set the initial run date and time for your campaign. Next, choose your repeat mode. You can opt to send emails once or have them repeat every few hours, days, or weeks. For even more control, select multiple days a week to choose your preferred weekdays or multiple times a day to specify exact send times. If you choose to schedule every few days, you'll need to specify the interval in days between each send. You can also set a maximum number of occurrences or an end date to automatically conclude your campaign. Finally, enable tracking options like opens, clicks, or replies so you can monitor your email performance. With these flexible options, your campaign runs exactly on your terms. By clicking on Manage button, you can easily manage your schedules, delete the ones you no longer need, and add new ones as your campaign evolves. Click on the green attachment icon to open the file selector, then choose the files you want to include. Your attachments will seamlessly integrate with your design. Need to see how it all comes together? Simply click the Test Email button to send a preview to your inbox, allowing you to review every detail before launching your campaign. Once you're satisfied, hit the Send button to dispatch your merged mail with precision and style. Now, let's go to the editor. Here, you can switch between HTML and MJML modes. MJML is a powerful markup language designed specifically for creating responsive email templates. Its syntax lets you build complex layouts that automatically adapt to different screen sizes, ensuring your email always looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. In the editor block, use the toolbar to style your email. With just a few clicks, you can change fonts, text size, colors, and alignment. Now, if you need more space to focus on your design, simply click the full screen icon to expand the editor to full screen. This gives you an unobstructed view, letting you fine-tune every element of your email without distractions. For example, you might make your headings blue and bold or adjust an image's size to fit perfectly. The designer makes it easy to reinforce your branding. Double-click on any image to add your logo, then simply drag the file into the dialog window or browse it from your computer. You can also choose your brand colors and include banners or footers as needed. This intuitive interface empowers you to create a visually stunning, responsive email template that reflects your unique brand identity. To load email templates, click the small gear icon and select the Load Templates option. From here, choose a template that suits your campaign from a wide selection designed for various use cases. Once loaded, you can fully customize the template by editing its segments, sections, and blocks. Whether you're adding images, videos, or text, our intuitive drag and drop canvas makes it simple to create polished, professional email designs without needing to write any HTML code. Using the toolbar, you can easily adjust fonts, text sizes, colors, and alignment. Rearranging content is as effortless as clicking and dragging elements to new positions. One standout feature is the ability to insert dynamic fields directly from your contact data. On the side panel, you'll see the columns from your chosen Google Sheet or contact list. Simply drag a field, like name, into a text block, and Lumimail will automatically replace it with each recipient's actual first name when the emails go out. You can personalize further by adding tags for company names, dates, or product details, ensuring each email feels uniquely crafted. When you're happy with your design, save your edited template by clicking the template icon again and selecting Save Template. Enter a new template name, and your design will be stored in your My Projects folder. To load a template you've saved, click the template icon, select Load Template, and navigate to the My Projects tab where you can view, load, or even delete your saved templates. As you work, use the preview icon to see exactly how your email will appear to recipients, with options to view on desktop, tablet, or mobile. With Lumimail's designer, creating dynamic, responsive email templates is simple, efficient, and tailored to your brand. Are you ever stuck trying to find the right words or need a burst of creative inspiration? Lumimail's designer has you covered with its built-in AI assistant. Simply click the magic stars icon, the AI button, to open a prompt box where you describe what you need. For instance, here's a prompt I've prepared previously. The key elements in this prompt are: header, Lumimail logo with a friendly welcome. Structure, clean, modern layout with clear sections, engaging headlines, and bullet points. Visuals, prominent call to action button and ample white space. Content, briefly highlight Lumimail's features, AI-powered content, personalized bulk emailing, Google Sheets integration, follow-up automation, and real-time tracking. Tone, friendly and inviting. Once you submit your prompt, the AI will generate a suggested layout right in the editor, complete with text and even a placeholder image. Think of it as your creative partner, offering a solid starting point that you can easily edit and refine. Next, choose the number of AI tokens to use. We recommend about 2,500 tokens for a robust, well-crafted email template. You can also select your preferred color scheme. I'll choose bright accent for that vibrant, eye-catching look. When you're ready, hit the Generate button. After a short wait, you'll receive a confirmation message prompting you to name your new AI template. Lumimail then saves it as an HTML template directly into your Google Drive folder. To open your freshly generated template, simply click the Import Template icon, select your template, and hit Import. Now your template is loaded into the editor. Review the design, modify or add any new elements as desired. You can edit text and bullet points. Add images or video or add links to the added call to action button, for example. You can drag and drop personalization placeholders into your subject and preview text for extra customization. Once you're satisfied with your final design, click the Export button and enter a name to save your finalized template as a JSON file in your dedicated Lumimail folder. With Lumimail, crafting personalized, AI-generated email templates is not only effortless, it's a truly creative experience. To see how your Lumimail templates are organized, simply open My Drive and locate the dedicated Lumimail folder named My Smart Email Templates. This folder stores all your HTML, JSON, and even Google Docs rich text templates generated through the Template tab. Once you're satisfied with your email design, click Send Email. Then, check your Gmail Sent folder to confirm how beautifully personalized your final emails look. Now, let's continue to the rest of the Template tab. Returning to the Lumimail side panel, you'll notice 3 sub-tabs in the lower section: Rich Text, AI Templates, and A/B Testing. Rich Text. This sub-tab lets you view and edit your Google Docs email templates stored in your dedicated Lumimail folder on Google Drive. Here, you can create and save new templates, schedule, and send bulk emails with attachments sourced from your Google Sheet. AI Templates. In this sub-tab, you can generate fresh, tailored email templates. Choose any columns from your sheet to add as dynamic placeholders in your AI-generated template, ensuring each email feels personalized. A/B testing. Finally, the A/B testing subtab enables you to test different templates with your audience. You can compare performance metrics and select the winning template criteria to be used for the remainder of your recipients. Each of these subtabs is designed to give you maximum flexibility and control over your email campaigns. Let's go back to the Rich Text tab. Now, choose a Google Sheet from your drive that contains your contacts and any details you want to use, like names, companies, or other personal information. Once you select a sheet, a drag and drop panel appears, displaying all your columns as draggable icons. You can easily drag these icons into your subject line, preview text, or even directly into the email editor for dynamic personalization. Since we don't have any saved templates in Google Docs format yet, let's create one. Go to the AI Templates tab. First, select the column headers you want AI to use as placeholders in your template. AI will automatically decide where to place them. Next, choose your template style. I'll select Casual for a more friendly approach. Then, set the maximum number of tokens. 300 tokens is recommended, which typically generates a template with 2 to 3 paragraphs. Finally, enter your prompt describing how you want your template structured. For example, I've prepared a prompt asking AI to create a template for new Lumimail customers that highlights Lumimail's features and outlines the structure I prefer. Once you're ready, hit the Generate Template button. When your template is ready, a review template window will appear displaying the subject, preview, and body of your generated template. Review it and notice how Lumimail AI has seamlessly placed all the placeholders into your template. Then, enter a name for your new template and click the Save Template button. This saves your template as a Google Doc in your dedicated Lumimail folder on Google Drive. Now that we have a template, let's open it on the Rich Text tab to review and edit as needed. Browse and select the template we've just saved. In this Rich Text Email Template Selector, you'll see a list of available email templates in Google Docs format only. Once you select a template, its subject line and body text will load in Lumimail's Rich Text Editor. Here, you can edit the text of your message, change the wording, add or remove paragraphs, and insert placeholders for personalization like name or company name, which Lumimail will replace with actual data from your contacts. Tailor the tone and details however you like. After making changes, click Save Design Template button to save the template, either updating the existing one or saving as a new custom template. The new edited template will be saved in your Google Drive in the same dedicated Lumimail template folder. This way, you can reuse your tailored template in future campaigns. When you're ready to use it, you can move on to composing emails or setting up a sequence with this template. To schedule your emails for later delivery, simply click on the scheduler icon to open the scheduling settings window. Here, you can set the initial run date and time for your campaign. Next, choose your repeat mode. You can opt to send emails once or have them repeat every few hours, days, or weeks. For even more control, select multiple days a week to choose your preferred weekdays or multiple times a day to specify exact send times. If you choose to schedule every few days, you'll need to specify the interval in days between each send. You can also set a maximum number of occurrences or an end date to automatically conclude your campaign. Finally, enable tracking options like opens, clicks, or replies so you can monitor your email performance. With these flexible options, your campaign runs exactly on your terms. By clicking on Manage button, you can easily manage your schedules, delete the ones you no longer need, and add new ones as your campaign evolves. Let's shift gears to A/B Testing tab. This is where we can set up our test to compare multiple email templates and identify which one performs best. Start with selecting the templates you want to test. When I expand Select Templates for testing, I can pick 2 or more templates by checking the boxes. In this example, I'll select 3 different templates to compare. Under Choose Success Metric, I can select what determines a winning template. The options are highest open rate, highest click rate, or highest reply rate. In this example, I will select highest open rate. Whichever metric you choose will be used later to figure out which template is the winner after the test runs its course. Next, I move on to the Test Split percent of recipients slider. This determines what percentage of my total email list will receive this test. For instance, if I choose 27%, that means only 27% of my contacts will be included in the A/B testament and the remaining 73% will receive the winning template. Then I specify the test duration in days. This might be anywhere from 1 day to 7 days or more, depending on how long I want to collect results. Once the duration is up, the system can figure out which template performed better based on the metric we selected. When I'm happy with my template selections, test metric, split, and duration, I click Start A/B Test. Then Lumimail will send the A/B test emails and create a new A/B testing tab in your selected Google Sheet with all the details to track your test. Next, my colleague Juliet will walk you through the Contacts Leads tab in more details.
Thanks, Natalie. We'll explore how to quickly find targeted business leads using our Contacts or Leads tab. Let's dive into how our platform leverages both manual domain entry and AI-powered domain suggestions to fetch relevant contacts, and then export them to Google Sheets. To start searching for leads, I have two approaches. Type a short description of the market segment I'm targeting, like a specific industry or location. Then, I choose how many domains I want the AI to generate. Manually enter domain names like google.com or microsoft.com and mark them as priority if you'd like them used first. Email addresses per domain limit. This parameter sets the maximum number of email addresses Lumimail will return for a single domain. By default, it's often set to 10, but you can go as high as 100 in increments of 10. If you're primarily interested in getting a quick sample of leads from each domain, you might keep this number low, 10 to 20. If you want a more exhaustive list, especially for large organizations, you'd raise the limit. Say you're researching potential marketing leads at 5 different companies and only need a handful of contacts from each domain. You could set the limit to 10. If you're looking to do in-depth outreach or want many contacts, setting it to 50 or 100 ensures you capture a wide range of potential leads. Seniority, junior, senior, executive. Lumimail's seniority filter narrows results based on a person's role level in the organization. Junior, typically entry-level or lower management positions. Senior, more experienced roles such as senior staff, managers, or directors. Executive, top-level managers, C-suite executives, CEO, CFO, CTO, and VPs. Department. This filter refines which department the contacts belong to. Available department filters include IT/engineering, finance, sales, marketing, legal, support, human resources, design, health, and more. Type, personal or generic. Lumimail classifies email addresses as personal as an individual's direct address, like james@google.com, or generic as a team or role-based address like info@microsoft.com or support@amazon.com. If you leave this filter blank, you'll get both types. Required fields. This parameter ensures each returned email contact has certain extra fields populated. Full name. Contact's first name and last name. Position. The contact's job title or role, like a marketing director. Phone number. A phone number associated with that contact if available. Once your selections are finalized, hit Search button and Lumimail will generate the complete leads list based on your selected filters. The generated table will have the name, email, position, department, company, professional social links, and phone numbers if available. The confidence number indicates how sure Lumimail is with the generated data accuracy. You can export the results into your Google Drive as Google Sheet. The name of the file typically is Exported Search Results. Now, let's go to our final tab, Sequence tab. Here we go. We'll walk through creating an automated email sequence step by step. The sequence builder lets you add different types of steps, emails, waits, conditions, etc., to craft a custom workflow. We'll explore each step type, the options available, and how to navigate through configuring your sequence. To start, simply select a Google Sheet from your G Drive that contains your contacts and any details you want to use, such as names, companies, or other personal info. This sheet will serve as the data source for your email sequence campaign. The Save Sequence button to store your current workflow locally in your Chrome extension. And the Run sequence is to kick off the automated process and start executing your sequence. To start creating your sequence, click the big green plus Add Step button. This opens the Edit Step dialog, where you can choose a step type and configure its settings. At the top of the dialog is a drop-down labeled step type. Click this and select the type of step you want to add. The available step types are Send Email, Send AI Email, Wait, Condition, Reply, and AI Reply. We'll go through each of these types and explain their purpose and settings. For a standard email, select Send Email. Here, you can either pick a pre-made template or write your own subject, preview, and message body. You can select from Google Docs templates and JSON file templates. When a template is selected, it will populate the subject, preview, and email body fields. You review and edit this as you wish. If you need to attach files, just click the paperclip icon. In this example, we'll click Save to add our first step in the sequence. Next, let's add our second step by clicking on the small green plus below the email step. This opens the Edit Step dialog again. Next, let's look at Send AI Email. Under the AI email source, choose either Generate New AI Subject, Preview, or Body to let the AI create your email content, similar to the AI Compose tab we explained before, or use columns from Sheet if you already have your data prepared in your spreadsheet. Just like the regular email step, you can add attachments in an AI email step. You can add a wait step to pause the sequence. Simply enter the number of days you'd like to delay before the next action. In this example, let's add a condition step, which lets you choose the type of event you want to check for, such as open, reply, or click in case you have certain links or URLs in your email. In this example, I will choose reply as a condition type. Within days field lets you to set your condition monitoring window. I will leave it to 3 days. Let's click Save to add our second step. This creates 2 branches, one for when the condition is met and one when it isn't. This branching lets you send different follow-up messages based on your contact's interaction. Let's add a reply step to the branch where the condition is met. This means that when a recipient replies to your Step 1 email, the next step will automatically activate for them. To do so, click on the green plus under the condition step. Reply step is used to send a follow-up email that continues an existing conversation thread. Essentially, it sends a reply to a previous email you sent, rather than starting a brand new email thread. You'll typically use a follow-up step after a wait, and often after a condition, to reach out again if the contact hasn't responded or to follow up regardless of response. Like the send email step, you can pick a template to pre-fill your follow-up content. The body field is the email body that will be sent as a reply. Since this email will go out as a reply in the same thread, you typically don't need to write a new subject line. Finally, the AI reply step. Simply, it's an AI-powered version of a reply step. An AI reply step is an automated reply that generates a follow-up message using artificial intelligence, saving you the effort of manually drafting each reminder. In the AI follow-up mode, you can choose between Use column from Sheet to use a pre-populated column from your Google Sheet for the body of your reply message, or Automatic AI Reply, where the system generates the message on the fly using customized settings like AI style, max tokens, and an additional prompt to tailor the tone and content of your AI reply. In this example, I drafted a prompt including my Calendly link so the AI reply can include it if there is a need to schedule a meeting. Let's click Save to add the AI reply step as the third and last step in our example. Click Save Sequence to store your progress, especially if you navigate between different tabs in the Lumimail app. Once you've configured all the steps in your sequence, click Run Sequence to launch it. This will initiate your workflow and start executing your defined steps automatically. Lumimail will create a new tab in your selected Google Sheet named Tracking. This tab displays the progress of your campaign by showing the status of all sent emails, as well as condition and wait steps. You can see that the initial email was sent to all recipients, and now Lumimail is waiting for any replies before sending the AI reply. Once a recipient replies, you'll see a new Y and a timestamp in the replied column on your tracking sheet. Lumimail then automatically sends the AI reply email, and you can check your Gmail to confirm it. Notice that the AI reply is sent as part of the same email chain, keeping the conversation organized. The reply is well structured and even includes the Calendly link exactly as specified in your prompt instructions. That's it. Thanks for watching and happy emailing with Lumimail.